Hey guys, welcome to another day in paradise. I am in the 100 Days of DevOps one. I know very little about this, so you got to struggle along with me. What? I'm on a streak. I'm on a streak. Let's get the environment started up. And I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Um, I try not to jump into YouTube too much. I try to use the man pages or the wiki pages as much as I can because I think that's how you strengthen your recall of these things is to actually do it rather than copying what somebody else did and just plopping in the same commands that they did. So, as you can see, day 7 in paradise. And this guy goes away. He's gone. While we're waiting for the environment to spin up, there's another guy that I watch that I like. Let's see, I'll have a bunch of crap here. This guy's pretty good.
I don't usually overhype myself, but
Yes, he does. He does it all the time. He's all about AI and productivity. That's a cool guy. If you got time, check out one of his videos. And the environment is here. Here we go. All right, so this is what I was looking for. So this is all the information that you need to solve this. This one out of all of them makes me very nervous. I haven't tried the Terraform one because I like the gamification that Code Cloud does. And right now, I haven't failed anything yet. So I'm protecting my my own feelings. But let's get through this. Let's see. I think I know how to do this. I think I did this with the Linux one. I think I did this with over the wire, but let's see. The system admins of team of Xfusion Corp Industries has set up some scripts on the jump host that run on regular intervals and perform operations on all app servers in Stratos data center. So that sounds like a cron job to me. I'm a communist. To make these scripts work properly, we need to make sure that Thor, user on the jump host, has passwordless SSH to all app servers through their respectable pseudo users, i.e. Tony for app server 1. Based on the requirements, perform the following. Set up passwordless authentication from user Thor on the jump host to all app servers. So how do we even start? I don't even know where to start. Here's a jump host. Here's his password. Okay. To make sure the scripts work properly, we need to make sure that Thor, user on the jump host, has passwordless SSH access to all app servers. So we need to connect to an app server. So the first app server I'm going to get on is this guy. Hold on. Don't look at this. This is from somewhere else. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. There. This is me cheating. App server. So I don't have to type everything. Yes, Tony is iron. And I think I said in another video that I always run this command when I get into Linux. So I'm trying to remember where the SSH config is. So I'm going to do find No, find dash H. Here we go. I want to find a file. No. This thing is terrible. You know, this is one of the things that I find very hard about Linux is all the text. So I'm recalling that I can do find slash to search all the directories and SSH star. Well, that went off like it's about as well as I thought it would. There's an SSH config. Let me see. So I'm gonna do exactly what I would do. So I think it's in the Etsy. No. Gosh darn it. Yeah, this is the one I was thinking about. So this is where we would need to punch in Etsy SSH. I thought so, man. I thought so. Etsy SSH. SSH. No, such sudo. Need to add the password, which is on the sheet provided to you by CodeCloud. Ooh, well, that'll do it. So I want to see that file. Guess what I can do instead of doing that to open that file is to cat it. And cat. Alright, this is command line user. Let's look for this user. We need to. This is for everybody. This is for everybody. So we're going to do something I can edit in, which is going to be VI. SSH config.d. That's a directory. It's a configuration file for everybody. So let's try this again. Quit. Make sure we leave. Let's do cat. Huh. We've hit a wall. This is what happens when you don't know Linux. So all right, so let's we're gonna go to a user specific one. So So this thing was saying CD home directory. .ssh .config. Here we go. CD. Let's log out. This is embarrassing because I have no idea what I'm doing. Learning as I go. All right. According to this article, I need to go. Okay, so there's an authorized key. How do I get there? Let's CD. There we go. Cat all right, yeah. Okay. So I need to copy this key is what the article is telling me. This article here. I have it off screen so it's easier for me to. And this is the trial and error that I go through. So this should be the private key file. What? Well, that's not nice. Where did it go? I'm just going to move it to the other screen because it keeps. close it on me. It's annoying. So according to this thing, I need to SSH copy dash ID. I'm gonna do help. Is minus I. We have to identify. Let's see. Remote username is Thor. At 172.16. This is messing me up. Let's do this. We'll go back. We will reconnect Tony at 172.16. Maybe I want to SSH into that. So we're back here. What are you talking about? Let's see a public key. A bunch of keys here. What are you telling me? So the problem is that, okay, I see it now. What a loser. All right. Let's go VI. And one is commented out. So I need to copy this. Hello guys, welcome back. I think this is going to be a two-parter. I started this yesterday. and I quit in the middle because I couldn't figure it out. So I'm gonna give it another try. I don't know DevOps, man. This is truly learning from scratch. Or maybe I won't stitch the videos together. Maybe I'll just talk about it. But anyway, welcome back. This is, I forget the number it said, day 7 for the 100 days of DevOps. Speaking of which, I need to make another. Can I copy? All of this stuff is essentially new file. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do KK underscore 100 days DevOps .md. What do you think I'm doing over here? The environment's still spinning out. So, while we're waiting, I'm trying to build a better machine by staying busy while I'm looking for another job. And I'm not a DevOps guy, but I think this will help me explain things better when I'm in interviews and things like that. Just knowing that I'm not sitting home, sitting on my hands waiting to get another job is, I think I can build a narrative around that. But that's besides the point. The environment is up. Let's see what it's doing, which is going to be. Okay, so let's do SSH Tony at 172.16.238.10. Yes. What's the password? It's on that sheet. It's in my head now. I know it by heart now. All right, here we are. First thing I do when I get on any server is to do. Okay. So there's a way to create. What am I looking for? I'm already drawing a blank. I need to create a directory somewhere. So let's do this. Let me see if I can create something first. Now, how do you create a file? Touch, right? Touch. Test.file. And if I do this, all right, it's there. Okay, so I should be able to. What's next? So whenever you create a key, you create a public key and a private key, right? So how do I create a key on Linux? How to create a key on Linux? Linus. SSH keygen command in the terminal. Keygen. Okay. Okay, what does this mean? For a modern secure key type, ED to fast secure efficient public key digital signature. All right, look at that. Learn something. Keygen. Got a lot of windows open. Apologies. Key. SSH dash. No. Keygen. What did it say? Dash T. And I know I could copy it, but there's something about typing it that helps me retain it. So I like to copy it, type it at least once before I go start copying shortcuts. Okay, so what's next? How do we do this? Enter passphrase. We don't need enter passphrase. Let's develop a help here. This will help us. These are the different key types. That's what the minus T is for. C. This is a comment. Passphrase. What's the name? Next, let's do this. Minus C. You know what? Enter a file in which to save the key. Sure. I'm just making this up. Enter passphrase. So now we're doing passwordless. So I'm not going to enter passphrase. I'm just going to hit enter. I'm going to hit enter again. And cookies, random art images. Okay. No, I don't know. No, let's do this plus. Ooh, okay, I see. So I need to copy. How do I copy this? Let's see. This is dynamic. Can I copy it directly to the host? Okay, let's try it. There's a command to copy, which is cp or cp, copy, cp. No. I'm gonna do SSH. Let me see. Remote server IP. SSH copy ID, username, and remote. So according to this, it doesn't have an IP. It's dynamic. So I'm gonna see if I can copy. See if I can do it with that host name. Jump host. Huh. I think I need the IP address. I'm not sure if I can do this way, or I have to. Or I have to provide a directory for it to go into. So chances are that's going to be the same as the directory I'm in right now, right? Which is us. So can I make the assumption that this is on the other side as well? What am I doing? Right, we're going to do it a different way. I'm going to nano for that jump host PV. What? VI? Door and jump host that PV. I don't know if this is correct. We're about to find out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back N:'Q. Yeah. I'm going to go back to the jump. I need to create this public key on the jump host. I have no idea what I'm doing that. Let's see. Else minus -h. Okay, so where do we store SSH keys? It's going to be in this SSH thing here. Okay. CD. SSH. ls. Authorized keys. Okay, CD authorized store keys. It's not a directory. Let me see if I can touch or at jump host.hub as. Okay, so now that's VI for at jump host.hub. Come back here. Copy this thing. So I have no idea if this is going to work. Okay, and WQ to save and quit. What? Save. And let's do this. WQ. Okay. So this is H. And looking at the permissions. We need to change the changing siege mod 700. This is going to be my directory or hidden directory.ssh and cd ls. Yeah. Read, write, execute. gonna try to connect and see if it's gonna work. And it did not. Oh my gosh. This is why I didn't want to do this. Oh, fuck. Excuse my language. Control Z. LS. Alright, so how we so then I copy it to the remote server, which would be the jump host. Test the passwordless connection. To confirm the setup works, try connecting with SSH. Remote user. So, oh, wait. The remote username. So that's going to be Tony. Tony. Which is what I did, and it didn't work. So what am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? Jeez. Okay, so I need to make sure my home directory. Let's go back. Right, let's do cd .ssh. ls. So file authorized underscore keys. So not a directory. It's not a file. How do I get into this thing? How do I get to this thing? Authorized keys. File underscore. All right, we're getting somewhere now. We're getting somewhere. You can set these permissions. All right, location. Subdirectory of the user's home directory. Yep. Permissions for security. Both the file and this directory have to have strict permissions. Otherwise, SSH server will refuse them. So I think that's a problem there. So let's do chmod 600. That's a 3. So that doesn't count. 600, and it's going to be tilde //ssh/authorized keys. Nice. So now I can do. Why is that? No, it's not fine. That's my key right there. And we removed right for anybody else except for. Okay, so now, since this is changed, how to use authorized keys. Copy, verify access, SSH. Oh boy, that's a lot. How's it? It doesn't have my key. Yeah, it doesn't have my key. How do we do that? We can't do that. I have to copy user at remote server. Copy the public key to remote server's authorized key file. The recommended and easiest way to using the SSH copy command, which automatically handles the file creation and correct permission. I mean, I guess I could try it again. I really don't want to fail this. Let's do copy. I'll do Tony. Tony. 72. No identities found. So how do I copy it manually? If I can't copy it, I can't do it now. So make directory. What's this? On your local machine, run the following command. This is the most efficient way, manual method that works on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. So, on my local machine, so that's going to be the jump host. That's going to be the jump host. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is nuts. So do this on my local machine. That'll be my jump host. So this should be Tony at 172.16.238. No such file. Oh my gosh. I am at an impasse, people. I'm at an impasse. No such file or directory. So let's do this. Let's go up. Let's break this down. Dude, yeah, that doesn't exist. I'm so quick. It's gonna be Thor at jump post. Oh, holy crap! Did this just work? No. No, it didn't just work. Okay. Permission denied. I'm so confused. Okay. On the local machine is I'm trying to copy this to the remote machine here. With the path of your actual public key file if it has a different name. Right? Replace user with the username with your username on the remote server. So Thor at okay. Oh man, I don't want to fail this one. Come on. So it should be Thor. Thor's password. Oh crap, there we go next. I really don't want to fail this. So, generate an SSH pair on the client. Okay, I've done that. Alright, let's go to ChatGPT. Let's try to do this without that. Copy. On the client. Excuse me, so we generate a key, which we've done, right? You will now be prompted to enter a file. I wish you could see the key. The default is this. Please press enter. So that's this. We're gonna go to here. Connection closed. Let's try this again. We're here now. ls. There are the two files that we created, right? You'll be prompted to enter a password. Press enter. I mean, I could try to generate a new key. You'll be prompted to enter a password. To leave the password is empty, which is what we did. The command will generate a public key and a private key in the SSH. All right. Copy the public key to the server. So that's the jump host. So I need to copy this key to the jump host, which is what I thought I did. I wasn't sure if that the VI thing was going to work. So replace the username with your username on the remote server. Copy the public key. So that's going back to the jump host. So, all right. Thor at jump_host. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did I really do that? I used the server name instead of the host name. Don't tell me that's what it was. That would really. Okay. We're gonna get there, man. This is gonna take a minute. I'm not sure if I have enough time to get to all three servers though. Assuming that I get this licked. So, alright, we're gonna do the cat. Meow. Meow. Did I? Oh my god, I think I messed this up so bad. What is this? Door at jump host. Oh my god, I'm making so many mistakes right now. Oh my god, I keep making these mistakes. Door at jump host dot pub. There's no way that this is gonna be. Wow. Wow. Alright. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. This shouldn't be a password. Oh my gosh. Alright, Control C. LS. Door at jump host. Door at jump host dot. Alright, so let's just, let's just delete all these things. No RM test dot file. All right, let's see if I can prove this out quickly. So let's try this again from the beginning. SSH minus key gen minus T minus T ed 25519. Enter file in which to save the key. What do you mean? When prompted to enter file in which to save key, you can simply press enter to accept the default location. This is recommended action for most users. Okay. All right. Leave passphrase empty for fully passwordless login. Okay, I'm gonna go again. Go again. Oh, I had to change the name. All right, whatever. So there's a public key and there's a private key. I just realized I've been quiet this whole time. Oh, my bad, guys. I'm really concentrating. Got 13 minutes left. Please. We should be there. Please. I'm going to hit enter. Son of a monkey. It actually worked. All right. All right. So then what happens? What happens next? Door's name. MJOL. Mjolnir. 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 1, 2, 3. MJOLNIR. 1, 2, 3. What's going on? I put in passwords. It looks like it's thinking. on the client. So the remote be, well, that's not working. All right, so I'm just gonna try to preserve this mess. Don't want to lose anything. On the remote server, which is gonna be the jump host. So I'm gonna do a log out. And I got rid of that one. Oh, it's the wrong. What am I doing? It's late, man. MJOLNIR. 1, 2, 3. Not gonna do anything. Yep. It's just dying. All right. Oh, I don't want to do this, man. Shit. I gotta go do some more research. This should have worked. I started over. I went through what ChatGPT said step by step. Also, which matched this. This is bad, man. From the client, which is where I'm at right now. I'm on Tony, right? From the client, I'm going to SSH. It's going to be Thor at jump host stratos.x fusion corp.com. Yeah, it's not working at all. Okay. Control C. So on the remote. Just put insert because it wasn't letting me type, and that's exactly what the problem was. Q? No, it's escape. So, WQ. Okay. Sudo system CTL restart SSH. Alright, so I'm gonna try this one more time. We got 2 minutes. Here. Okay. MJOLNIR. Please deny. Please try again. Which is going to be. Alright, I'm out. It is 2:05 a.m. Shucks. Try later. Yes. Wow. 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 Alright, tomorrow. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, I think I figured this out. I watched a bunch of videos today, read a couple articles, and I think the source of the problem is I swapped mentally the client with the host. So, I'm going to go through basically the same thing we did yesterday. Same steps. So everything here says ChatGPT. I have this off screen to make it a little bit easier. Should I have it on screen? I don't know. Anyway, environment spinning up. This is building a better machine. We're doing the Code Cloud Challenge. This is day 8. Or is it day 7? Day 8 or day 7? What day are we on? I took improper notes. Let's see, where are we? So behind on this. This is day 7, Linux SSH Authentication. And let's get started. Again, so I'm gonna go through these instructions that I had here from ChatGPT. And let's start. So we need on this server the client. Is there a way? Can I pop this out? Wait. Toggle panel size. No, don't like that. Open a new window. Yes. Yeah, I just figured this out. So let me close that. I'm trying to set this up to work a little better for me. Okay, this is set up properly now. All 3 screens. Step 1, we're going to generate a key. SSH dash key gen -t. This is the option to pick the type of key. ED, I don't want to do that. What would be a cool, funny name? It won't be a cool, funny name. It's going to be, forget. Oh no, this is right. ED25519, because that's the key type. And the C would be the comment if we wanted to name it something. So, let's see, please press enter and accept the default. Location, leave passphrase blank. Passphrase blank. Now it says to copy the public key to the remote. So let's do that. That was a waste of time. The first server is Tony at 172.2.16.238.10. All right. Yes. Now we need Tony's password, which is kept in the Nautilus. Number of keys added. This is progress. Now try logging into the machine with SSH Tony and check to make sure that only the keys you wanted were added. So now try logging into. All right, it didn't prompt me for the password, so that is success. This is the remote server, so let's do ls cd tilde SSH. No such file. And what did this thing say? What happens? So this works. Why does this work? Let me take a step back. Now this is correct. This is 700, which is what this is asking for. And we'll do this. And we're gonna do another ls. 600, that's right. All right, so this is good. So this is good. And we know this works because we just connected. So now, if I do SSH, last log on, there it is. Finally. Holy crap. All right, let me see. I'm gonna copy this guy. Paste. This is on the remote server. All right, I'm doing the wrong place. So let's go here, here, and Tony. checking the config file. Public key. It's optional. Determine password authentication and public key, yes. And the password authentication goes here. There it is. It's a password authentication. Should be no, but it's working already, so I'm not going to touch this. We are not going to touch this. We're not going to take it. No, we're not going to take it. All right, so now that we know what we have to do, we just have to duplicate that on the other two servers. What is success? How we define success here? Jump, regular intervals. User on jump host has passwordless SSH to all app servers through based on the requirements. All right, let's do it. So we're going to run that same command to copy the key. This guy. So this is going to be 11. This is going to be. It's not Tony, it's Steve. Steve Rogers. Yes. Now, what we could have done is create a script to have it run against all three of those servers, but I'm not that good yet. I hope to get there one day. All right, Steve's password. Let me make sure we're doing what we're supposed to be doing. Press enter to accept the default location. Press enter to leave the password blank. No. What are we doing? We're in. So we copied it over now, right? Okay, so now let's try logging in. PS5 controller. Alright, 11. We're almost there. We're almost there. I'm so excited. Straight in. That's beautiful. It worked, so assuming that we can verify the permissions, but it looks like it's okay. We'll do the LS, LAH. We can see that the permissions are correct here. And I wonder. Can I? That's right, 600. So this also looks done now. This is good. Holy crap. So I'm gonna log out now. My 5-game streak, 5-day streak is in jeopardy. I'm gonna mess this up. So this is gonna be banner, I believe. And password is being green. Wait, no, what am I doing? I need the SSH copy. Yes. Password is big. We're in. All right. So SSH banner at 6.238. Wow, there it is. And we're going to verify the permissions again. We do ls. All right, permissions are checked. I can't believe how long this took. Obviously, I'm going to speed through much of this because you guys aren't going to hang around. Listen to me ramble. So log out. I think that's it. Banner. Yep, that's good. Steve. Yep, that's good. And last one is Tony. That's good. So we did it. Holy crap. I can't believe we did that. It took so long. And give me green. Give me green, please. We did it. I feel like saying Dora. We did it. We did it. Cancel. No. I want to control A. Let's do this. So this is just my documentation to help me in the future. We're gonna hit it with the boom boom. DevOps day 8 hash. set up for the next one, and thank you. And let's open this all the way. This is great. Boom. So my streak is maintained. Alright guys, thanks for this. If you stuck around, come back again. Let's build a better machine together. Until next time, thanks.